Hello, I'm discussing about application of nanomaterial in medicine health sector. The application of nanotechnology to medical sector is the first to use the nanomedicine. This includes the uses of nanometer scale, materials, and nano-enabled techniques to diagnosis, monitor, treatment, and prevention of disease, cancer, inflammatory conditions, neurodegenerative and psychiatric disease, diabetes and infectious disease, bacterial and viral infection such as HIV. The potential contribution of nanotechnology in the medical sector is extremely good and includes new diagnostic tools, imaging agents, and methods, pharmaceuticals, etc. Some applications of nanotechnology in the field of medicine are described below. Diagnosis of a suspected disease is one of the most critical steps in the healthcare and medicine. Nanotechnology has the potential to greatly improve the entire diagnostic. This begins with the extraction of sample from patient and normally sent to a laboratory for in vitro outside body analysis. Miniaturized in vitro diagnostic device. These are small but highly integrated devices fabricated using techniques derived from the microelectronic industry. These are applied for the analysis of rare samples such as DNA materials. The need for less sample also means less invasive, tending to spread quickly. Traumatic methods of sample extraction can be used. Miniaturized diagnostic device again divided as following: biosensors, carbon nanotubes and wires, microarray, nano barcodes, lab on chip, diagnostic kits. Biosensors or sensor is a device capable for recognizing a specific chemical species and signaling the presence of concentration or activity of that species in solution through some chemical change. When sensing is based on the biomolecular recognition, which is called biosensors, nanoparticles that are used for such as elements as biosensors includes quantum dots, metallic nanobeds, silver nanoparticles, silicon nanoparticles, magnetic beads, fluorines, etc. Carbon nanotubes and nanowires. These nanosensors wires are biosensors allowed detecting a wide range of chemical biological species, including low concentration of protein in virus, microarray. These devices are used for diagnostic purposes such as DNA analysis, protein detection. Nanobarcodes, fragments of DNA on nanospheres can be used to create a barcode, for instance, for protein detection. A barcode is used to detect small levels of cancer particles, matter, prostate specific antigen in serum. Lab on chip, these devices are miniaturized integrated laboratories that allow that separation and analysis of biological samples in a single device. Diagnostic kits, an example of nanomaterials that has been used in a diagnostic kit is a colloidal gold. Imagine the second step in a diagnostic of disease involves in vivo taking place in living organism. Imagine which are sources for symptoms of disease within the living tissue of being infected without the need to perform surgery. The fine images are obtained when the imaging is done with the instrument coated with nanoparticles. Pharmaceuticals, nanotechnology is widely used in the field of pharmaceuticals. Example, Trojan horse capsules are used in treatment of diabetic retinopathy disease of retina. Okay, it's all about application of nanomaterials in medicine and health sector. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye.